Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Today from Anjunem Dam, we have released the water at 89.2 level. Our dam level, top level is 93.2. We have kept 4 meter cushion because another 2 months if rain comes, it has to be able to store the water. So considering the low tide and all, we release the water. Considering this level, it is usually we release at 89 level every year.